Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, I got some news. I am going back to work on October 21st. And I'm going back to my boat. So that's good news. Daddy's still the same. He's not going to recover from this back to the way he was before he went in there, unfortunately. But my groceries are about to fall over. So being that I'm not going to work till the 21st, I went grocery shopping. Instead of getting just a few days worth, I got enough to last me a while. I was going to do a thing tonight with RV Rebel Girl and Badge, but Badge found out that Wonder Boom is doing an interview with Van Vita, and he also recommended that I go and do this too, because Wonder Boom I'm going to discuss about doing my schoolie bus. So we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. So I won't be doing that live thing tonight, and being that I'm off till the 21st, we'll see what happens and see if we can get another live stream going, maybe Saturday night. How's that sound? All right, but no, not Saturday night. Sorry, not Saturday night. Maybe Sunday night. Maybe we can get Carolyn to do that thing that we were going to do, to where we're both in it. And if not, I'll do a live stream. So I'll let you all know ahead of time. So be prepared. Anyways, that's the quick update. I do have a couple videos that I did not get out before I got off the boat. So watch these videos. They're not big videos, but you can watch these right now and enjoy them. I hope you do. Until then, I'll see you afterwards. So be back in a few.
Here in the U.S., we have almost 50,000 homeless veterans, half of which have disabilities. We can do better. Help Badge pay it forward to our vets by placing your order at herosoapcompany.com using coupon code BADGE at checkout. That's coupon code BADGE. By doing so, you'll be helping contribute to solutions that help our valued veterans. Help Badge do what he does best: help others.
I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing this.
If you look closely enough, you'll see American bald eagle up there. Let's see if he's going to come out. He just landed. Let's see if I can get right there. He, she. Come out, wherever you are. There he goes. Full moon during the day. glad you enjoyed the video, I hope. If you're new to my channel, more cooking videos will be commencing, but usually when I'm at home, it's only me. I do quick little meals. I can't see myself cooking so much, and it's usually something instant if I'm going to cook at all. I really don't feel like cooking just for myself. So, but again, since I'm going to be off till the 21st, I'll probably go and do some hiking and walking, and that'll help clear my head even more, and be able to show you some more sights around the area for you. I'm also waiting on a certain adapter from my iPhone to the Osmo to be able to get activated. Hopefully it's saying it'll be delivered October 3rd. So, and I'll try out the new toy as well. Alright, again, thank you all for being a great support to me through all this rough time. And I really love you all. And don't forget, Christmas is coming up soon. I need your address. If I sent you a card last year, please resend me your address again. I do apologize, but I had to make room on my mail account, and I didn't realize I deleted everybody's address from last year. So I apologize. I'm going to create an address book in my phone with this new phone with everybody's Christmas list. Be on my permanent Christmas list. So if you want a Christmas card from me, and I'm also going to send you a sticker too as a Christmas gift. If you want one of them, send me your address, and I will be able to get those out. I'll probably have to do it from the boat, so I'll make sure I'm stocked up on Christmas cards and my stickers. Alright, love you all. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button, click on that bell for more notifications, and leave a thumbs up and a comment. I will respond. Alright, you all have an awesome day, and if I see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Until then, bye-bye.